introduce them. My name is sntrsscenny, civil class A, semester 2 of from group 3. And at this time, I will be processing material from my group, namely water pollution, solid waste management, and air pollution. Okay, we start from the first discussion. Okay, discussion part 1, water pollution. Water pollution refers to the introduction of a substance to the environment, use of a resource, or degradation of the health of human, wildlife, or ecosystem. Pollution may be caused by point source at stationary locations such as an effluent pipe or non-point source, or else large diffuse source, such as land runoff and the atmosphere. The mass flux of a pollutant is expressed as a load in mass per unit time. Okay, next, main pollutants. Organic waste. Organic matter in water are composed of organic composite. Generally, most carbon-containing compounds are organic or including steel and simple oxide of carbon. Organic compounds include natural compounds, which are capable of decay, and synthetic compounds, which may be biodegradable. Many organic matters are synthetic and not biodegradable or termed refractory organic matters. They include pesticides, detergent, and petroleum hydrocarbons. Some pesticides and others refractory organic are the principal agent responsible for the decline of certain ecosystem species and are the threat to human health. Next, suspended solid. Or suspended solid in water may come from many activities: river draining, construction, and soil erosion. Nutrients. Nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. In water, eco-grade plants are usually in the form of algae. Those nutrients come from domestic, industrial, and agricultural waste. Diffuse pollution from agricultural waste is a major source of nutrients, especially nitrogen. Nutrient-enriched water is more productive with excessive biological activity, and water quality is usually significantly degraded. Thermal pollution. Industrial cooling process, disintegrate hazard water into water bodies with effect on reduced solubility and altered speed of chemical reaction. Term pollution change the natural temperature region of a system in the affected ecosystem called be stressed. Some aquatic species may die or are forced to relocate. Toxic materials, they are metals that from poisonous soluble compost. Toxicity is linked with solubility and is directly proportional to its ability to cause environmental damage. Okay, next. Pathogens and carcinogens. Those are disease-causing microorganisms or cancer-causing substances, including bacteria, protozoa, dioxin, etc. Domestic wastewater is responsible for many of the pathogens, and industrial and agricultural waste are the usually source of carcinogens. You can see on the screen. Next, water pollution indicators. The indicators on water pollution are in three categories: physical, temperature, turbidity, total suspension or dissolved solids, chemical, pH, dissolved oxygen, COD, POD, pesticides and metals, and biochemical, APT index, biotic index indicators. Most of them have been explained already in the book, and only a few indicators are further explained here. Oxygen saturation. The maximum amount of oxygen dissolved in water at a given temperature is a challenge saturation concentration. You can see on the screen. Okay, next discussion. What's the weather treatment? What's the weather treatment plans ratio inflows from domestic, commercial, agricultural, and industrial users, stormwater runoff, and infiltration. Industrial waste mainly contain heavy metals, radioactive materials, refractory organic, which may be treated on site following specific guidelines. Domestic wastewater is commonly treated in municipal wastewater treatment plants, A main purpose for wastewater treatment is control pollution of a receiving water body or river like groundwater and sea. To design an effective treatment system is important to one, identify the characteristic of a real wastewater. 2. Set treatment objectives. 3. Integrate unit treatment operation. 4. Assist the system in view of green engineering, life cycle, taking and substantiability. Well, the treatment units include is 1. Pre-treatment, 2. Primary treatment, 3. Secondary treatment, 4. Tertiary treatment, 5. Disinfection, and